Hello everyone. Happy June 17th. Today we celebrate health, conservation, and delicious treats. Let's explore 3 inspiring events. These celebrations make great moments to gift someone, even without a special reason. But if you missed out, don't worry. More exciting events are coming this month. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. First up, it's National Eat Your Vegetables Day. A day to encourage healthy eating and balanced nutrition. A perfect gift could be a fresh produce basket, a cookbook with vegetable-based recipes, or a subscription to a healthy meal service. What's your favorite vegetable dish? Let's share in the comments. Next, it's World Day to combat desertification and drought. A day to raise awareness about land degradation and sustainability. A thoughtful gift could be eco-friendly gardening tools, donations to environmental organizations, or educational books on conservation. What's one way you help protect the environment? Share in the comments. Before our last event, are you enjoying these celebrations? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends. They'll thank you later. And finally, it's National Apple Strudel Day. A day to enjoy the flaky, sweet goodness of apple strudel. A great gift could be a baking kit, gourmet pastries, or a trip to a bakery specializing in strudel. What's your favorite dessert? Share in the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description. You can find links to purchase matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for July 1st to 5th, so you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome!